Breaking news from Haiti, where the country's president is dead this morning, assassinated in what's being described as a middle-of-the-night attack. Jovenel Moise had been in office for 4 years and had been the target of months of protests. Haiti's interim prime minister said Moise's wife was also wounded in the attack.
That's right. The president of Haiti was assassinated in his own home. Now, this wasn't your typical presidential assassination, the kind that happens when a president is out in public and some crazed gunman runs up to him and just shoots him. This was a well-executed assault on his house by highly trained mercenaries from the United States and Colombia.
The assassins arrived in trucks after midnight, claiming to be agents of the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration. A U.S. government source told Reuters the DEA had nothing to do with the killing. The gunman, reportedly speaking Spanish and English, descended on President Jovenel Moise's private residence and